Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Mike with 184 Aerospace. Today we're going to talk about and then hopefully go launch later in the week this 3D printed rocket. This is a cool setup that my tap made. He 3D printed and designed it himself. A couple cool features. Everything fits up in the nose cone as far as electronics, battery packs. Just had to epoxy some standoffs here. It's also got this cool on-off switch built into the nose cone. I'm actually probably going to remove that switch just to save a little space up there. So we're going to launch this. We're going to use sugar fuel, sorbitol, and we're going to launch it in a Loki case. I use my own 3D printed liners. They do work. Here's one that's been fired before. This will be my first launch attempt with my own sugar grains, so I'm kind of excited about that. We're going to use a Loki 24-inch parachute for this guy. Should be plenty enough. And hopefully the weather is good enough so that we can fly. It's April, mid-April, Michigan. It was just snowing the other day, so we never know what we're going to have. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you leave a comment, once I hit 75 subscribers, I will mail this out to a random commenter. It's a baby Bertha, cool little kit. So, that being said, there's a little bit more prep I got to do on the rocket, and then hopefully we'll see you guys next at the launch field.
Okay, we're ready to launch. We've got Mike Lewandowski. He's on pad 1 out there, and he has a screw it and fly, it says. It's flying on a G94. So we've got apogee is main deploy is at 1,200 feet, and deploy is at apogee at 1,200 feet. So here we go. It's a sorbitol sugar EX motor. So let's see how it goes here. We're going to power up the pad. There we go. In 3, 2, 1, launch it.
All right.
I'm holding the button very...
I heard it pop.
Oh, you heard the igniter pop?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Yes!
Nice.
All right, so it flew. You've seen it fly. It took 2 attempts. The first one didn't light. The igniter was a dud. I have a video that I just released that goes over some new igniters that I'm trying out. You should check that out. A couple things to note. We ended up going with a balut style parachute that I've designed and built because we burned up the Estes 24-inch parachute while we were testing ejection charges on the ground. Another thing to note is the plastic liner kind of collapsed on itself when the ejection charge fired. Not a big deal. It was kind of a pain in the neck to pull the forward bulkhead out of there and get some of the plastic off of it, but nonetheless it worked. I probably will just use the actual Loki phenolic liners from now on, just to avoid that pain in the field. We will continue to fly. I'm going to work on some changes to my sugar fuel and some enhancements to try to get a little more kick off the pad. Yeah, I appreciate you watching. If you could like and subscribe and leave a comment, that would be great. Thanks for watching, and aim high.